right, here is the future home of Pipe Doctor. Home Services, 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere. We have a lot of work. Looks like the previous occupants liked to mine cryptocurrency. At least they were nice enough to put a wall-hung carrier in for a toilet. I don't even know what's going on there, but there's a sink there. There's a sink there. Let's remember that, okay? We have, is this a reduced pressure zone? No, it's a double check valve. Awesome. Don't worry, we'll self-certify that annually. Let's come in here and let me show you the electric hazard here. Here is the electric meter. Here is the electric service and panel. This is, it's a lot of fun right there, I'll tell you. That's a lot of fun. I guess they plugged the miners in right here. Okay, we have a waiting area. We're gonna, just FYI, before you see what's going on over there, we're gutting the entire place. I may keep the spiral stairs, but let's take a look at that first. Any of the lights work here? Oh yeah, look, lights do work. Let's go up the spiral stairs and let me show you. I guess we're gonna call this the man cave. Maybe Peter can move in here. Yep, maybe Peter can move in here. You got a little ottoman here. It's like casting couch. All right. There's some mule sauce. So there's that. Yep. Another miner. Miners galore here. Replacement fans for miners. The gnome says go away. Oh no. Oh no. All right, let's go downstairs. Here we go. And we have a small powder room right here. Gerbert, nope, Swiss Madison. Okay. Great pressure. A little schmata in case you need to wipe yourself off afterwards. All right, here is going to be our warehouse. We're replacing the overhead door. Now, there was a sink here, right? Oh yeah, look at that. There's a sink right there. That's pretty cool. So after you're done, you can wash yourself off. Filter. Yep, that works too. Okay, we have an overhead door here. We're replacing this. The two windows. All lighting, everything's getting fully gutted. Epoxy coat the floor, paint everything. I don't need any heat in here, but we're gonna have plenty of shelves for everything, pipe racks. We have a back room here with an overhead door. That's coming out too. There's an escape to get out. We have a parking spot. Let me show you. There's the Pipe Doctor mobile. All right. See, it's got Lochinvar on that shit. So, oh, look at this. No effing way. Look at this. We have a plate from South Carolina. Wow, it was meant to be. It was meant to be. Let's see. The world is yours. Okay. And there's lighting here, don't work, but let's see. Any light switches here? Nope. Nope, nothing works there. That's another room. We're gonna gut all this, but let's take a look at what's going on over here. Yeah, this is just, there's some really weird stuff going on here. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere. The anticipated move-in date is September 1st. You've seen it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. And welcome to my world.